It's my little gamer right here.
Huh? Huh?
4 years old and he can play video games really good. Say hi.
Hi.
Look at the camera and say hey.
Hi. Hey.
What are you playing?
Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Stop, don't. I'm telling you that. You won't ever get a picture.
Okay, he's just doing this because I'm recording him, but he's usually really good. Well, there's my kids' gaming station. And there's mine.
Yours. I want it.
Alright.
Stop. I said stop it. Like.
Say adios, amigos.
No.
Say bye, everybody. Say bye.
No.
Say peace out.
Peace out.